The power of positive thinking, how to manifest your desires. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is something that has the potential to change your life in a big way. We're going to be talking about the power of positive thinking and how it can help you manifest your desires. Our thoughts have an incredible amount of influence over our lives, and by learning to harness the power of positive thinking, we can attract abundance, joy, and success. Have you ever felt like your desires and dreams are just out of reach, no matter how hard you try? Well, I'm here to tell you that with a little shift in perspective, you can bring those desires to fruition. The key is to start thinking positively. When we focus on the things we want, instead of the things we lack, we create a powerful energy that attracts more positivity into our lives. Now, you might be thinking, positive thinking? That's just wishful thinking. But the truth is, there's scientific evidence to support the idea that our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our lives. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our subconscious mind, which in turn influences our actions, behaviors, and decisions. For example, if you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be successful," your subconscious mind will believe that and hold you back from taking action towards your goals. On the other hand, if you tell yourself, "I'm capable," and "I'm destined for greatness," you'll feel motivated and inspired to take action and make your dreams a reality. So, how can you start using the power of positive thinking in your own life? The first step is to change your mindset. Focus on what you want and what you're grateful for, instead of dwelling on what you lack. This shift in perspective will help you attract more positivity into your life. Visualization is another powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires. Close your eyes, imagine yourself living the life you want, and focus on the positive feelings that come with it. By regularly visualizing your desires, you're sending a clear message to the universe that you're ready to receive them. This creates a powerful energy and intention, which attracts more positivity and abundance into your life. For example, if your goal is to start your own business, take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself as a successful entrepreneur. See yourself making big decisions, signing deals, and building your dream team. Focus on the feelings of excitement, pride, and happiness that come with running your own business. By visualizing your goal regularly, you'll start to believe that it's possible, and you'll become more motivated to take action towards making it a reality. The final piece of the puzzle is taking action. Positive thinking is great, but it's not enough on its own. You have to take the necessary steps to bring your desires to life. Start small and take one step at a time, focusing on what you can control. And most importantly, be patient and persistent. Success takes time and effort, but with a positive attitude, you'll get there eventually. The power of positive thinking is truly incredible. By shifting your mindset, visualizing your desires, and taking action, you can manifest your dreams and attract abundance, joy, and success into your life. So, I encourage you to start using these tools today and see the positive changes that come with it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember, stay positive, and you can manifest your desires.